picture like this after this taco.
Don't you want to walk? Oh, I knew you did. Yes, that's right. I'm your mother. And that's the wall. Okay. Hello, Paco. Hey. Hey, Paco. Hey. Hey, Paco. Hey.
Run to freedom.
That's not freedom, Paco.
Run to freedom. Can we let him wander down the hall?
Yeah, I want to. Keep going, man. You're so close.
Run to freedom.
On the other side of that mat is the ocean, Paco. Gin.
What?
Look at how cute this is. This is my turtle, and he has a hat on.
Oh my god! Looks like he's trying to get away from that.
No, he likes it.
He enjoys the hat.
Yeah, he told me. He whispered it in my ear.
I'll take your word for it.
He's going really expensive.
Okay. Okay. Oh, sorry.
You scared him off.
Pretty fast.
Yeah, turtles are fast. Tortoises are slow. Gosh, Jim.
Hey, I didn't even imply that they're supposed to be slow. I just said he's fast.
Okay. Yeah, Paco is the speedy guy. Okay, look at Paco. He has a hat on. Do you not see this white thing?
He's looking down.
This is going to be our acting video for our new culture.
Yeah. He's looking in the mirror.
Hey there, Freddy. That's good.